Hi Andy, it's Dave here. This is the lift shaft on the south bank of Core B. Just quickly take you through what I've picked up to date. After the lifts came out, temporary doors, blockwork's actually covered in plaster, but I'd left it as that so we can see. This is the lift shaft that goes all the way down to the B2 and the overrun in B3. The typical scaffold inside up to the top. The cutout for the wall, I'll explain later, can also be utilised for the rubbish chute because it's quite a drop otherwise. Let's just move on. Right, this is the lift fronts out. I've added a bit of flooring just so you can see where it sits. I'll move on to the next one. Right, down to B2, we need to prop 800 away from that wall on the left, and then we have to break out the beam at the top, leaving the reinforcement. You can see we need to do that propping up to the first floor and the breaking out. Then it comes the complicated bit, get this slot out for the column. The column starts somewhere between B2 and ground. I've only chosen a nominal height, I don't know where that exactly is. And you can see when the column goes in, it's going to have a support both for this ledge here, which will take this beam when it's recast. We'll have to put more rebar in here, and then this back plate here, which will eventually take the beam going in this direction, which picks up the new shaft. At the same time, after we've cut the walls down, we're going to break through the floor to allow that column to go in. Now at the same time we can be starting the supporting columns from B3 coming up, which will form the other side of the shaft, and eventually the beam will go from here to here, but we can't take this column out until we've got it transfer beamed on the 6th floor. So that was just a quick overview so it helps you pick up what I've already picked up on the drawings. Okay, I'll get this as a work in progress to complete one day. Speak to you there.